did you bring me?
What are you doing? Gary!
O Jezu!
Come on. Come on. No! Hey! Are you serious? Yes!
Oh, look at that.
Eat the peanut butter. Milo!
I don't think he wants it. Give it.
He wants a totally normal peanut butter cracker. I do. Nom, 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 nom.
Are you ready for something that definitely doesn't have medicine in it?